ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್ಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ.
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಚಿವ ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್ಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ.
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಡೌನ್ ಡೌನ್
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ
ಡೌನ್ ಡೌನ್
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ.
The recent nationwide protests organized by the Congress Party over alleged irregularities in the NEET UG 2024 exam included significant demonstrations in Bengaluru. In Freedom Park, Bengaluru, the National Students Union of India (NSUI) led a protest highlighting issues surrounding the NEET UG exam. The protesters demanded a Supreme Court monitored investigation into the alleged paper leaks and irregularities. They voiced concerns about integrity of the examination process, which they argued has been compromised, affecting the futures of many students. During the protests, several NSUI members were detained by the police as the situation escalated. Simultaneously, the Youth Congress held a protest at Congress Bhavan on Racecourse Road, Bengaluru. This protest was part of a larger strategy coordinated by the Congress Party to hold demonstrations at all state headquarters. The Youth Congress members joined their voices with other student unions and party leaders to call for stringent action against those responsible for the alleged malpractices and to ensure justice for the affected students.